Hi and welcome. Today we will be talking about the Parthenium hysterophorus weed. This weed is very infamous amongst all farmers, whether you're into crops or animals. Its most popular name is Santa Maria. It is also known as feverfew. It is also known as white top, famine weed, and numerous other names depending on the language, the location, and the region. This small weed is a tropical plant that is native to the tropical Americas, but due to naturalization, it is now found in most tropical countries all over the world. The Congress grass would create headaches for crop farmers. This weed would lower crop production, especially for farmers that are doing cash crops. It would also lower the farmers' harvesting and therefore affecting farmers' profitability and or profit margins. For many animal farmers, the Congress grass is responsible for numerous heartaches and pains. This is especially true for farmers that carry their animals and livestock out to graze or graze. The Congress grass, if eaten by any of the animals, will create an issue in that said animal, as it may be toxic to the animal and it may require veterinary visit. Whilst most animals will avoid the Congress grass, there is always a stubborn one in every herd. Because it grows in clusters, the feverfew may overtake your grazing patch or your forage patch for your livestock, creating a double problems for livestock farmers, where this Congress grass will disturb our grazing patch and our ability to collect forage for our animals. The Congress grass may disrupt the rational grazing methods that farmers may employ for their livestock and other animals. The Congress grass has the ability to disrupt an entire grazing cycle of a pasture or paddock, in that the farmer may have a feeding paddock or pasture in mind for future grazing, only to inspect and find that that paddock or pasture is filled with Congress grass, leaving that farmer to scamper for forage and food for their livestock or animals. Householders and pet lovers are not exempted from the invasive Congress grass, as this grass would pop up right in the middle of your backyard garden or into your animal favorite play space. The Congress grass woes is not only limited to farming in terms of crop productions and animal productions, but it also affects the normal person, as Congress grass, if not treated properly or not handled properly, it may cause health issues such as dermatitis. From experience, a simple wind, a simple gentle breeze of the Congress grass can send the pollens, just the pollens touching your face or skin can leave you swelling for days. The Congress grass has been known to trigger asthma, sinusitis, and other respiratory issues or ailments. In spite of all this negativity around the Congress grass, there are a few positivity about this weed or plant. According to herbalists and some traditionalists, the Congress grass is useful in treating certain ailments. In folk medicine, herbalists and traditionalists have pointed out to the usefulness of this plant. Please liaison with your medical personnel, your herbalist, your traditionalist, your dietitian before using feverfew or any plant, weed, or herb in its entirety. Please do not self-medicate. Herbalists and traditionalists claim that feverfew can help with fever. In traditional medicine, the extract from the feverfew has been known to treat muscular rheumatism. It is also alleged that feverfew helps to treat malaria. Herbalists and traditionalists also claim that feverfew helps with certain digestive issues such as diarrhea. Personally, I would not recommend drinking, eating, or even touching this weed. Therefore, be guided. Thank you for watching.